What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. If you're new around here, my name's Sam and I teach you how to fix your car. In today's video we have a brand new car for the channel, the Nissan Xtrail. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to find the fuse box. Right guys, so fuse box location. First thing you want to do for this one is open your driver's door and I'll join you there. Right guys, so you join me in the driver's side of the Nissan Xtrail. Dead simple on this. To find your fuse box, the first thing you're going to do is look down low, just sort of below your steering wheel, and that will reveal a plastic hatch like this one here. Simply put your fingers in, pull the hatch back, it should clip out very easily, revealing the fuse box. I'll try and get a good shot of it. A little bit dark down here, I'm sorry if the quality is not great. So that's your fuse box guys. We've got a couple of relays at the bottom, that blue and black box, and a load of fuses to boot. So what fuse is what? On the back of your piece of plastic that you've just pulled off, there will be a white stick, or there should be a white stick like this, explaining what fuses do what. If not, you can always ask me in the comments. If you don't want to do that, you can always Google it yourself. There's always a way. Also, this has still got the handy tool. You have like a little pair of, have a little set of tweezers for pulling the fuses in and out, which is dead useful. Makes it a bit easier because it's quite fiddly and tight in there to get a finger in. So that's the interior fuse box location, and also there's a fuse box under your bonnet for sort of the engine electrics, front lights, things like that. So first thing we're going to do is pop the bonnet using that lever there if you don't already know how to, and then I'll join you at the front and we'll show you where the exterior fuse box is. Right guys, we've got the bonnet open and on its little stand to hold it up, and we're going to look straight down towards your battery. Just to the left of your battery you'll see a small black box with a load of yellow writing on it. Get that in focus for you. Now this writing tells you what fuses do what in sort of and the location of them, so that will match the fuse box underneath. You've got a little plastic tab at the top here, just push that in with your finger and lift it off like so, revealing the exterior fuse box. And like I say, as you'll see here, those images line up with the fuses and where they are. And then when you finish, you just pop your cap back on like that and it just clips back on. Right guys, that's how to find the fuse box on the Nissan Xtrail. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's plenty more content to come on this car and many others. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.